How to make money with Instagram Reels. Since Instagram first introduced Reels in 2020, they have become a favorite feature of this app. These short-form videos that were intended to take over TikTok are much more than just a way to pass time. Thanks to their massive reach and rapidly increasing popularity, Reels are currently one of the best ways to make money on Instagram. If you are wondering how to make money and get paid with Instagram Reels, this video is for you. How to make money with Instagram Reels. Instagram consistently introduces updates that allows you to monetize your content, and today there are several ways to make money from Instagram Reels. Joining the app brand new bonus program that aims reward content creator can earn you from $100 to $1,000 of dollars monthly. Now I will discuss with you how to join the Instagram Reels Play bonus program. Step 1. Become eligible for the Reels Play bonus program. First, you will need to become eligible for Instagram bonus program. Still, there are a few criteria users must fulfill. That is, you need to have a business creator account. You must be live in the US and be at least 18 years old. You must meet Instagram's monetization policy. Your follower count must be under 1 million. Eligible account will see a notification in their app letting them know they have qualified for the program. You can also check whether bonuses are available to you in the following way. Go to your creator or business profile, open your professional dashboard, find bonuses in the menu. Get started to see if you are eligible. If you fulfill all the criteria but the option still isn't available to you, be sure to check back often, as it is being rolled out gradually. Step 2. Active the bonus program. It's extremely important that you active the bonus program as soon as you become eligible, since your eligibility might expire. Setting up is very simple. Open your profile and access your professional dashboard. Scroll down to bonus and tap on Get Started. Read and accept the terms and conditions of the program. Select your country, whether you are an individual or a business owner. Business owners will have to enter their tax information on the next screen. Select your country. Choose your payout method. You can also do this later. Tap Active Bonus, then Done, and you are ready to go. Step 3. Meet the goals. Once bonuses are set up, the real challenge begins. Instagram will give you goals you must meet within a deadline. These goals vary from account to account. You have 30 days from the moment you active the feature to meet the goal and qualify for a payout. The good news is that you can use up to 150 reels to meet the view goals during the next month. You can check your progress towards the goal and the maximum payout you can expect by accessing your professional dashboard. Here a few tips to make progress and ensure you will be able to leverage the payout. Before you post a reel, go to your bonus page and select Reels Play Bonus. If you forget to select Reels Play Bonus beforehand, you have up to 24 hours to do so belatedly. Remember that if you delete a reel, it will no longer count towards the goal. Skip branded content as it allowed within the bonus program. ensure you stick to the terms and condition, because every instance reel violation will remove your eligibility for the program for a certain period of time. If you follow all the rules and manage to meet the goals, Instagram will send you an invoice around 10th and pay around the 21st of the following month. Friends, that was everything about how to make money with Instagram Reels. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can also make money with Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.